I want to share with you a video that went viral. Look over here. It is not an ad, it's just a normal animation that perfectly social, you can see it here, made for a client who is called omozua.com. Let's have a look.
Are you a woman feeling stuck in your life and career? Have you already achieved success but are unfulfilled and unable to progress further? You have visualized your ideal life, but you're finding it impossible to get out of your own way so that you can achieve your goals. When you lack motivation and inspiration, do you feel stressed, guilty, and in need of help to take action and live the life you want? It's time to take the next step. Get yourself unstuck and make the change to living life guided by your inner purpose. You'll be able to relax, knowing that you're free of those negative emotions, finally able to seek direction by your own standards to achieve the fulfillment and happiness you deserve. Visit my website now and download my free Guide to Taking Action that will create a powerful ripple effect throughout your life, or sign up for a discovery session with me. You can also email me, takeaction@omozua.com.
So let me see, how long is this video? It's 1 minute, and that's very important, so it's not very long. What is good about it, let me play it again without sound, is that it has very clear images, very easily drawn, and by seeing these images drawn, there is a very strange effect happening, and it is that you feel like you're drawing them yourself, which is a nice feeling. But also you're being told a story, and it's a story with a problem and a solution. And then it gives you a nice feeling because there is help, and there's help on the way. It is a very simple animation. It's in black and white, it's just drawn, but it's an essential good story. So something like this, without any advertisement, but just because somebody made a good animation, and also because she posted it in a few groups, can go viral without you doing any extreme things.